just so grateful, thankful, and blessed for having you in my life. You're my husband,
Sweet.
my partner,
Ang tawag.
my coach, my supporter, my everything. Thank you. I love you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm just going to play some music. I've got some special karaoke folks to come on up. Do you want me to move on? Okay, all right, here we go. All right, Charlie, come on up stage. Okay, hold on. Hold on to this mic.
Yeah.